Lead is a heavy metal that is harmful to our bodies. Young children under 6 years old are most at risk for lead poisoning because their bodies are quickly growing. Lead poisoning can cause learning difficulties, lower IQ, trouble paying attention, and organ damage. At very high levels, lead poisoning can cause death. Lead poisoning is 100% preventable. If you live in a house that was built before 1978 and plan on fixing or updating it, make sure you are using lead-safe work practices to prevent lead poisoning. Regularly washing toys and hands, as well as maintaining a well-balanced diet are additional practices that can help prevent lead poisoning. Lead-safe work practices include setting up the area being renovated to prevent dust from escaping, wearing personal protective equipment, limiting dust, cleaning the work area every day, and more cleaning when the repairs are complete. The Lead Hazard Control and Healthy Homes Grant is available to both homeowners and landlords in Genesee, Livingston, Orleans, and Wyoming counties, also known as the GLOW region. Since it started in 2019, this program has worked on 38 homes in the GLOW region, and currently has others in different stages of work. Through this program, we are able to provide lead hazard remediation through work such as replacing windows and doors, painting, porch repair or replacement, and other repairs. Here is a testimonial from a landlord who has used our program on multiple properties.
This program is a great resource for many families who are looking for a safe home for their kids. The application process was fairly simple and the results definitely outweigh any time that is invested in it. I would recommend anyone who has a young family to reach out and learn about this program. Not only will it protect your family and/or tenants, it will make your property a lot nicer.
Thank you for watching. And if you're interested in the Lead Hazard Control and Healthy Homes program, give us a call at 585-344-2580 extension 5555 or visit our website at gohealthny.org for more information. Also, check out GoHealthNY on Facebook, Instagram, and X.